Thanks. Yeah. It's fucking great when you're on my side.
Wait, we've been waiting for you.
You guys smell something? I do. 一直食屎嘅老鼠。You know what happens to rats, Wei?
Yeah, I heard. Conroy gave me all the details when he was helping me out on that mini.
你收聲啊 Who the fuck do you think you are, huh? You come in out of nowhere and suddenly our guys start to get arrested? He ratted out pop star Winston. I know he did.
Oh, you gonna do it or what? This motherfucker right here is a snitch! Is that right, Ming? You fucking rat. I sent you to Popstar, but now he's in jail! Yeah? And who stands to gain the most from that? You're gonna take over Popstar's whole ketamine racket now. No more scraps for you. You'll supply the whole city with drugs. You and Dog Eyes. Popstar's gone, but you're still dealing, aren't you? So who's supplying you? Are you guys actually listening to this asshole? He's a rat! He's a fucking rat!
你個冇狗用嘅垃圾 You're still working for that bastard, aren't you, 係咪啊
Wait, Winston, I swear!
Always a dirty fucker,
我發誓唔係我，唔係我。
Fucking rat. Clean that up. Loyalty's important, Wei. Never forget that. You get in this business for yourself, you're bound to end up like little Lanta. You know what happens to rats when he ratted out pasta, Winston? I know he did!
What are you gonna do to what?
Do you have a car in here? Here.
Legendary.
The long-awaited Wangan GSX is here. Contemporary sports car styling, breathtaking performance on the fastest production sports coupe on the road, featuring 6-speed automatic transmission and a revolutionary drive control. The Wangan GSX, a legend in the making.
Legend Radio.
想唱歌，咁你就要唱啦！因為 Hot Song 卡拉 OK 每張台都有咪，唱上面仲有電視屏幕，無論你喺
点光临. Can I help you with something?
Yeah. Are you Ping?
No, there's no Ping.
How about the owner then?
I'm the owner. I'm just not Ping.
All right, not Ping. I'm picking up hardware for Orange Lotus. You know it?
Orange Lotus? Sure. This is some pretty sophisticated stuff. Sure you can handle it?
I'll manage.
My number's on the package. You need a hand getting slot X into socket Y? Give me a call.
Did you get the bug?
I got it.
You're going to die right here!
Did you get the bug?
I got it.
Our surveillance team reports that you should be able to get onto the roof from the construction site next door. Whatever you do, don't let them see you planting that bug.
No shit.
How'd the bus thing go?
Good.
We can fight, huh?
Yeah,
What?
nothing.
Hey, don't try that shit. You got something to say, talk.
大佬，你聽我講啊，It's too easy. This guy comes out of nowhere just when Dog Guy is pressing us?
Old prosperity. I knew him when he was a kid.
Yeah, but where he's been since. Reminds me of...
You think he's a cop?
I think there's something just not right.
Well, no, sir. No cop would do this.
Hey, I'm getting some noodles from the kitchen. You want some?
Sure. Why not?
What kind?
They're fucking noodles, Vincent. Whatever's back there.
I kind of feel like pork.
So get pork.
You want pork too?
你冇搞錯啊！
The dog. Excellent. I promised myself I wouldn't train members of the Triads anymore. Not good for one's karma. Don't lie to me. If there are things you can't reveal, don't. But never lie.
How do we talk about the things I can't reveal?
You don't need to. I knew you well once. I don't believe people change that much.
Right. Appreciate your faith.
What would you like to learn? I yearn for the days when my students were merely bad. Have you no pride, Ming? Your ancestors fought. They like to disown you. Strong like bear, limp like noodle. I see you have spent into master of disgrace.
我 用牙關出嚟。
Ah. They're all winning. Winning is everything, Chong. But you might want to pretend you at least Stop by again if you find one of my staff.